In this video, we'll go over the expense planner and budgeting section inside the accounts module. To begin, go to the accounts, then select expense planner, or use a smart search instead. This section helps you plan, track, and manage upcoming expenses for the store. It can include expenses such as rent, payroll, services, vendor payments, purchases, and other recurring or future costs. At the top of the page, you will see a summary showing the total estimate for the month, the daily cost, and the hourly cost. These numbers can help you quickly understand how your planned expenses are costing over the month, per day, and per hour. To create a new budget, click Add Budget. A window will open where you can select the category, choose the vendor, and enter the check amount. For example, if you're adding rent, select the rent as category, choose your vendor, and add the rent amount. You will also see an option for reminder and is fixed expense. Turn on reminder if you want the system to remind you about this expense, and turn on is fixed expense if this is a regular expense that repeats, such as rent or another recurring monthly cost. Once everything is entered, click Add. The budget item will be added to the main list. From here, you can see whether a reminder is enabled, whether it is a fixed expense, the category, employee, or vendor, and the amount. You can also retrieve previous expense data by clicking Retrieve Data. This will open a list of expense that already exist in the system, such as vendor expenses, payroll, purchases, and other paid items. Select the item you want to bring into the expense planner. You can select individual records or select all records at once. You can also turn on reminders or mark items as fixed expense before adding them. Once selected, click Add to Main List. The selected items will be added to the expense planner list. After items are added, the total estimate, daily cost, and hourly cost will update automatically. To review your budget details, click Budget. The budget overview shows a visual graph of your budget and expenses for the selected date range. The budget listing gives you a detailed breakdown by category, vendor, total budget, total expense, and total difference. You can retrieve budget details for a selected month, expand the list, search records, and export the report. The report can be exported as Excel, CSV, or PDF, and you can also email it if needed. If something was added by mistake, you can select the item from the list and delete it. Or if you need to edit, you can click the Edit option and edit that budget. And that is how you use Expense Planner and Budgeting section inside the Accounts module. That's all from me today. I'll catch you guys in our next video.